Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Shining Star with Priyanka. Yes, so babies, we have already learned about letter A, A. A, A. Now it's time for letter B, B. It's B, B. What is the sound? B, B, B. Focus on the phonic sound. B, B, B. And why this section? B, B, ball. B, B, B. Very good. Now let's revise all the vocabulary words with letter B. कौन से वर्ड होते हैं? ब ब ब ब ब बॉल. ब ब ब ब ब बॉल. ब ब बॉल. And b b butterfly. B b butterfly. B b bee. B b bee. Very good. Keep on repeating with Priyanka ma'am. B b bicycle. ये सारे बेबीज की फेवरेट होती है ना? So this is b b bicycle. And हम स्कूल में किस चीज में सिट करके जाते हैं? Yes, b b bus. B b bus. Very good. So keep on repeating with ma'am. B b b b b b b b ball. B b butterfly. B b bat. So today we have learnt about letter B. It's B, B. And we are not going to say B letter before. No. We will say B, B, ball. B, B, bat. B, B, butterfly. Now it's time for formation. Yes. What is the formation of letter B? Letter B. Yes. So here it is. Look at here. One standing line. Very nice. One more time. One standing line. One chota petu. One more chota petu. Very good. This is the formation of letter B. B. Very good. Now let's practice our letter B. Here we go. So babies, ma'am has taken the dough. This is आटा जिससे मम्मा रोटी बनाती है. So we will take dough and will make 3 standing line. So we are going to make 3 standing line. 1, 2 and 3. Now I had made 3 standing line. So for making letter B, B, we need 1 standing line and then 1 mota petu and 1 more chota petu. This is letter B, B. B, B. And in patterns, we call it standing line, 1 curve, 1 more curve. 1 standing line, 1 chota petu, 1 more chota petu. B, B. So this is how we learn letter B. B, B. So keep trying this formation at your home. जो हम clay से, sand से already told you, हम आटे से, चावल से, even मिट्टी में, हम किसी भी चीज से, water color से, water से, ये सारी formations try कर सकते हैं. And don't forget, always try first the free hand formation. Free hand formation and then in your notebooks. So it was B, B. B. So for more videos, don't forget to subscribe channel Shining Star with Priyanka. And keep commenting which video you want me to prepare for you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in next video.